Guys, this is HP Deskjet 4220. I'm going to show you how to scan document from this printer. You can scan using ADF or scan using glass scanner. So open up the printer and stick the document you want to scan on top of the glass scanner. Make sure you start from the end. And this is A4. Then you close it. Then go to your laptop and select scan. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select source as glass scanner, and preset. You select document, scroll down to select document and scan entire area. Then output is colored. Resolution, you can select up to 1200 dpi, but it's currently in 300. You can select preview or scan. So I want to select scan. Now this document is scanning to the computer. This is the document we scan. If you're not happy with it, then you select the three dots, blue three dots here to delete it. You can edit it, replace it. Now, if you want to scan the second document, you need to select plus. So I'm going to scan this second document, but I'm going to scan it using ADF. So bring out the document you want to scan, place it on top of the ADF. This is automatic document feeder. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to select plus. We want to do this using ADF. Select plus on the top to add. Now the next thing you need to select source as document feeder. Document preset, A4 and the colored, resolution, then you select scan. Here we go. This is the second document we scanned using ADF. I'm happy with it. The next thing you need to do is this document, you can print it out. Likewise, save this document or share this document. So first of all, you need to save this document. Select save and select basic PDF and select save. Then you decide where you want to save this document. I want to save it in a download and select save. So now this document, your file has been saved. So this document is saved. Now if you want to print it out, you select print. You wait for the printer to be ready. Then from this, you scroll down, orientation, A4 paper, photo, full page. Paper type is plain paper, and how many copies. Then you select more option. You want to print this on both sides, long edge. Then you select OK. And this document you want also to print it in colored. So make sure you scroll down to the color and select colored and select OK. Then select print. Now this document is printing. This is document you printed out. If you want to print the second page, you take this document, put the paper back to the paper tray. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select continue. There we go. Brilliant. This is the document we scanned and printed it out, double-sided manual. We scanned it using ADF and also glass scanner. And this document, if you want to share this document with somebody, you can also select share. If it doesn't work this way, then you can go back to your inbox and attach the document. So you have option to select share. So select share. Then select basic PDF and select share. It gave you option for you to share this document via Outlook or WhatsApp or phone link. So select Outlook email address. Then you select the email address of the person you want to send this to. You can type the email address of the person, and if you find the email address of the person, so you select the email. You can type the message or select send. You can type hi, select send. Now this document is sending, document sent via email address. So this is how to scan document using ADF and glass scanner. Save it, printed it out as well. Likewise, share this document via email address. I'm going to show you how to print document from laptop to this printer. The rules are you need to make sure the printer and laptop are connected to the same network. And in this case, this printer and laptop are connected via Wi-Fi network. You can also connect this printer and laptop using USB cable or Wi-Fi direct. To print your document, you need to go to File Explorer. So select File Explorer. Now the next is you need to go to wherever you save your document. The document I want to print out is in the download section. Select the downloads. Then double click the document. This is the document I want to print out. It's 2 pages document. With this printer, you should be able to print double-sided manual. So to print this document out, you need to select Ctrl P, or you select printer icon on top. So you can select Ctrl P. And this is the print out. Now to print this document out, you need to scroll down from the list and select the correct printer. It will show you the printer ready. Then you select how many copies. Use up and down to select number of copies. And the next is page. We want to print all page. And also color. Scroll down. We want to print this colored. And the document now is in colored. And also we want to print this document double-sided. So scroll down, print on both sides. Print on both sides, long edge. Then you scroll down to more settings. You select the paper type as A4 paper. You also have scaling. So A4 and also scaling, you have 100%. So the document will be 100% and 1 page per sheet. And the quality, you have 600 dpi and 1200 dpi. It's currently 600 dpi. Then you select print. Now this document is printing. This is the document you printed out. Now you take this document, turn it upside down, then go back inside. Select continue, or you select copy button or any of the copy button. So select continue from the laptop. There we go. There we go. So this is how to print document from computer to this printer. Now another way to print document is for you to go to HP Smart App. This printer and laptop are connected via HP Smart App. So go to HP Smart App. Now you select print document from the HP Smart App. Select OK, supported file, select OK. Then it will take you to your printer file to select where the document you want to print out. So go to the downloads, double click the document, select print. Now this document is attaching and the document is attached. Then you decide, we printed earlier double-sided. In this case I want to print it single page. So select print on one side only, and we also want to print this document black. Select more option, then you select portrait, scroll down and select portrait. Paper type is A4 paper, and the color, we want to print this colored black and white or monochrome. Then you select OK, then select print. So now this document is going to print single page, black and white. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is how to print document from the computer to HP Deskjet 4220E. I'm going to show you how to copy your document. To copy your document, you need to open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to copy. Make sure it starts from on top left, and make sure the information, this document is double-sided, so make sure the information is face down. But the reason why you see this information is because it's double-sided, so make sure it starts from the end, then close it. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to decide how many copies of documents, and also if you are copying black or color. So first of all, I want to copy this document black and one page. So you press the black button once. This is the document we copied, black, one page. If you want to copy this document, remember we still have the document, the glass scanner. Okay, this is the document here. So this is A4 paper. Then close it. If you want to copy the second page, we want to copy this document, color, 2 pages. So you press the color button twice, 1, 2. And the number change to 2. Then you wait. This is the first one. There we go. This is the second one. So this is how to copy a document from this printer. So if you want to copy with ADF, then the next thing you need to do is you need to stick the document you want to copy. Then the next thing you need to do is you select copy button. So once you stick the document you want to copy, then you select the copy button once. This is the document you copied. To copy the second page, you need to make sure the information you want to copy is on top. For instance, if you want to copy two-sided, now the next thing you need to do is, so take this document, you need to put it on top this way. The information needs to be at the bottom if you want to print the second page. Then put this back and select copy again. There we go. So this is the document we copied. You can see it, welcome is on top. If you also go at the back, the welcome is also on top. So this is how to copy a document double-sided using ADF. So this is the document we copied. We copied this document double-sided using automatic document feeder. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.